Hey, I'm Tate Hoover.
And I'm Nick Bentavengo.
And we're playing Bring It Back.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Eric G. It's me, Avery. Dude.
I can never get it. I make 100% of the shots I take.
I'm Maddie, and today we are doing the Boba Shot Takeover.
Maddie, this guy you have to face the wall while you're taking his order.
Hey, pause it.
And you're watching 10 for 10 with Gas Music.
If you had your own festival.
Welcome to Remixing K-Pop Song.
I'm driving over 85.
I'm Chalmaine. I'm here tonight with Gas Music.
I've been aligning my energy, synergy, heaven G send me a star.
Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to Tech Smart. It goes for $300. I'm gonna say that's a pretty competitive first quarter.
Making cover art, my own beats, lyrics, setting up camera, like all the creative ideas, all the creative work. Those are all things I did.
I just want to do more and more, like, I'm just like addicted. I think I'm addicted.
Bonjour. Muele flores. Nunca viví la baslado. Yo que me voy muy, ya pues sí muy. Respecte mon hotel.
Red Octobers or Air Max?
Over Air Max, those big old, you can't even wear those.
These are the top 10 shoes in movies.
This is like a project. Like, yo, imagine, like, come on, man, you're dating Bigfoot at that point.